Throughout the 2024-2025 school year, 80 schools across Missouri and Southern Illinois took on a sustainability project to compete in the Green Schools Quest. This year's theme was Biodiversity and Wellness, and schools took on projects that explored the connection between human health and the biodiversity of the world around us. Let's take a look at some of the schools who focused on supporting the biodiversity of their schools' ecosystems on campus. First grade students at Conway Elementary learned about the nature around their campus and then created a nature scavenger hunt for the entire school to enjoy. Esther Elementary students installed a bird feeder, observing bird species and learning about the local ecosystem and how to support it. 4th and 5th grade gifted students at Northland Innovation Center constructed bat houses to protect the bat population and distributed bat awareness kits to the community to highlight bats' benefits and clear up misconceptions. The Beezers, a 5th grade student-led group at Oak Brook Elementary, developed a dedicated place on campus for pollinators and installed signs to ensure the area was not mowed. First graders at Reed Elementary launched a water protection campaign, picking up litter and creating educational stickers, murals, signs, and a school news video to raise awareness. Raintree preschoolers, inspired by We Are Water Protectors and Dakota Access Pipeline protests, held their own protest and launched the Raintree Creek Cleanup to educate their school on water pollution. W.W. Kaiser Elementary students reimagined their sanctuary habitat on campus for both pollinators and students. They analyzed their current biodiversity needs and established plans for a pollinator paradise and a reflection space for students. Emmanuel Lutheran students boosted environmental awareness with iNaturalist walks, outdoor learning space renovations, and service projects, including their upcoming Shine Day on April 25th. Truman Middle School and Crestwood Elementary students teamed up for a rewilding project, promoting native plants, making seed balls, and hosting a homegrown national park event to educate families. Several schools enhanced outdoor learning areas to explore natural environments, fostering biodiversity while positively impacting academic performance and mental health. Flant's Early Learning Center preschoolers built a new garden space with native plants, a sensory pathway, planter beds, and birdhouses, including wooden slabs decorated by their students along the pathway. A determined group of 5th grade students at Henry Elementary created a plan to encourage outdoor learning, researching its benefits and presenting their findings to staff, leaving a lasting impact. 4th and 5th grade gifted students at Northland Innovation Center created both an indoor and outdoor sensory and meditation space to support gifted learners' needs, providing a calm space during recess and outdoor learning. Spady Elementary students enhanced an outdoor area with bird feeders, a pollinator garden, and benches, supporting Missouri's bird population and creating a peaceful spot for relaxation and nature observation. The Planet Protectors at Ladue Middle built an outdoor classroom and garden to engage students with nature, enhancing both their education and well-being through design and hands-on development. Reducing waste lies at the heart of sustainability. Many schools launched recycling projects, while others fostered worm habitats through composting initiatives to divert waste from landfills. Crystal City students hosted a bottle cap challenge between grade levels to create a logo and benches, as well as collecting plastic bags to recycle into a bench as well. 3rd through 5th grade student council members at Hannah Woods Elementary worked to improve the sorting of their recycling. This spring, they will host short comedic skits to help educate their peers on proper recycling. Idea Center students reduced their carbon footprint by composting and vermicomposting, creating posters to educate peers, and taking leadership roles in managing their composting projects. The Eco Club at the John Thomas School of Discovery focused on creating composting systems, tracking waste, and preparing garden beds for spring, as well as developing signage to reduce electrical waste. Sorrento Springs students organized a campus cleanup, created posters promoting cleaner habits, and upcycled materials like t-shirts, styrofoam, plastics, and cardboard into new usable items. Carmen Trails Elementary students launched a Coffee Grounds recycling initiative, saving over 3,000 K-cups worth of used grounds from landfills, with the project now extending to surrounding communities. Pershing Elementary students led a change to the cafeteria's food to make it tastier, more nutritious, and less wasteful. Jennings High School students collected waste, greens and browns, to create compost for their gardening club to grow their spring crops. Narings Hall students launched a 3-part project to combat fast fashion, creating a website to trade formal wear, hosting educational meetings, and demonstrating ways to recycle or reuse fashion items. STEAM Academy students started a recycling program, creating a volunteer-run collection system and educating the school on recycling practices, already diverting 1,600 pounds from the landfill. St. Joseph's Academy students improved their outdoor space and partnered with Passback to provide sports equipment access for all students while promoting sustainability. Many schools focused on sustainability through garden projects to maintain diverse, healthy ecosystems. While many used traditional food gardens, others tackled indoor tower gardens, providing sustainable food for students, staff, and even class pets. The nonprofit St. Louis Green Machine provides aeroponic gardens to schools across St. Louis. This year, 8 schools participated, growing food and sharing it with the community through 55 garden towers. The Biome School connects science, social justice, and conservation through monthly themes, partnering with local organizations and integrating sustainability into the curriculum to empower students as changemakers in their communities. City Garden Grade School wanted to put the garden into City Garden, so they added 2 garden beds and instituted a school-wide composting program. MICDS lower school students led composting, garden-to-table initiatives, native seed planting, and cleanup projects. They also created posters, presentations, and books to share their environmental knowledge. 7th and 8th graders at Northeast Middle designed a sensory garden to support emotional wellness, conducting surveys, researching wellness, and planning the use of the outdoor space for the school community. Students at Academy of the Sacred Heart created a sustainable food garden by surveying the campus and creating a digital design that incorporates composting, rain barrels, and native biodiversity. MRH 8th graders moved their beehives to a new campus location for long-term sustainability while educating the community about bee care and their vital role in the ecosystem. Central High students addressed drainage issues by creating a rain garden with 600 native plants, incorporating a meditation space that complements existing food gardens. Principia Upper School students revitalized a fallow campus area, researching and collaborating with the community to redesign the space to benefit both people and the planet. Claymont Elementary students enhanced plant life in classrooms, added greenery to the library atrium, nurtured an indoor tower garden, and grew food in outdoor garden beds. Shenandoah Valley students set up aquaponics and hydroponic systems, including a fish tank and rise garden, and celebrated Earth Day with STEM Week. St. Clair 2nd graders compared plant growth and hydroponics versus soil, learning about water usage, conservation, and sustainability through a hands-on experiment. This year's theme inspired research on biodiversity and wellness, with schools incorporating sustainability into academic programs, making it a key pillar of their curriculum and sustainability efforts. Northland Innovation Center's 4th and 5th grade students created recycled sculptures to raise awareness about Kansas City's biodiversity, including pollinators and the great blue heron. The PCS Green Club at Premier Charter School, composed of 26 early childhood students, works to make their school and community greener by tackling litter, energy use, recycling, and planting trees. Tillman students formed a student-led sustainability team, researching native Missouri seeds, learning stratification, and conducting a BioBlitz to track biodiversity for future years. Old Bonham first graders created a sensory garden, and this year's students designed lesson plans integrating biodiversity and wellness for all grade levels to use in the garden. Principia 2nd graders researched monarchs' absence in their campus gardens and shared their findings with the school and community through presentations and a published article. Brittany Woods hosted a screening of Farming While Black, raising awareness of Black farmers, supporting land ownership, and encouraging sustainable purchases from Black farmers. Principia Middle School students added a sustainability class to their curriculum, allowing students to reset, reconnect with nature, and address campus needs through outdoor activities. While some schools stayed outside for their projects, other schools looked internally at the built environment of their campus or their modes of transportation. Margaret Burkle middle schoolers improved energy efficiency by upgrading lighting controls and exploring solar panel expansion, discovering that they could save $13,000 per year on energy bills. City Garden Montessori partnered with BikeWorks to promote sustainable transportation by assessing trends, overcoming obstacles, creating a school map, and starting a bike repair team to maintain bikes. Engineering students at Althoff Catholic High School researched energy-efficient lighting, presenting proposals to reduce energy usage and redirect savings to fund additional school projects, like new lighting. Each school in this year's Green Schools Quest took on a special piece of school sustainability, making a huge impact on cost savings, the health of their community, and the longevity of our planet. Congratulations to each of our participants. We are so proud of you.